गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज सनी फ्रॉम कार क्यूपिड और आज मेरे साथ में हैं मिस्टर संजय सिंह जी। इनकी 2016 मॉडल की XUV 500 है। दैट इज़ अ टॉप मॉडल जो ये अभी पिछले 4 साल से यूज़ कर रहे हैं। उनकी गाड़ी में कंपनी का स्टॉक ऑडियो स्पीकर्स ऑलरेडी लगा हुआ है जो वो 4 साल से यूज़ कर रहे थे, बट ही वाज नॉट वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट। सो वी हैड डिस्कशन विद हिम yesterday regarding the upgrade. So Sanjay ji, please tell me what was your feedback regarding the discussion that we had yesterday evening regarding your car audio upgrade?
See, when I came to this shop, I had done some basic homework about what I am looking for. And after coming here and talking to you, some of the doubts that I had about, because I had read about those things, I was not very sure. So after talking to you, your guidance helped me to be sure about what I want to go for. Okay. Some of the things that I had in mind, like having a damping in the first place to reduce the car noise or external noise. And after some time, after driving for 4 years, you can always feel that doors start rattling.
Correct.
Okay. And that happens with the aging of the car. So damping was something which I wanted to go for, and after talking to you, it was. I mean, whatever doubts I had, those got removed. As far as audio is concerned, see, I'm not a listener of some loud music, or I use my audio mostly while I'm driving to work and coming back from work.
Right.
And maybe once in a while when I go with my family for some outing. Okay, so it's basically a family car, and I had again some thoughts about various brands which were there, and I have decided to go for Hertz. Not only because you recommended, but you sealed whatever I mean whatever thoughts I had in my mind. I know Hertz is a top brand. Okay, it's there in all the premium cars, okay, which come out of the factory overseas. So after talking to you, decided to go for Hertz because I felt that when I had come to this shop, I had thought that Hertz could be a very, very expensive brand. Okay, but the prices that you offered and what I saw of Hertz, I think that suited my budget. I have decided to go for it. So overall, I am hoping that I will get whatever I am looking for after putting the damping and the Hertz audio.
So regarding the first experience when you entered the shop and you had some requirements, certain things in your mind, and what was your experience about giving the correct information to the customer or being genuine with whatever? You had talked about a lot of brands. I had also shown you a lot of brands, but then suiting your requirement and suiting your budget. So what is your level of satisfaction or your feedback about the experience of being attended by a storekeeper about selling some product? So what was your experience regarding?
Well, first of all, I would like to thank you that you gave your full attention to me, because I know that such places are filled with customers, and attending to just one customer becomes very, very difficult for people. But I should be thankful to you, Sunny, that you devoted your full time to me and explained to me what are the advantages and disadvantages of going with various other brands. So I'm quite happy that you were able to guide me, and you were not just trying to sell me. Of course, at the end of the day, the final decision lies with me, but keeping my budget in mind, you were able to tell me what is the best option that I can get in that budget.
So regarding the damping that we had discussed, I had shown you this Motohanger damping. You had also studied or checked for a few other damping products. So what was your what is your feedback regarding the quality of damping that of course the performance will be known to you after the installation is done, but just the first time feel and the price of the product, what do you feel about the product that I'm offering?
You rightly say, unless this thing gets fitted and I use it for some time, I will not be able to
Correct.
give you the correct feedback till then. But from the look and feel of it, I feel the product looks like an international brand. Okay, because when you just touch and feel in any product, whether it is a local product or it is a quality product. I mean, even local products can be quality products, but both the things are available in the market. But initially, my initial reaction is that it looks like a genuine quality product which is of international standards.
Okay. So, friends, we have just started the installation of the speakers and the damping in the car. We'll also cover you with the installation process and the way we are doing the damping. And after the installation is done, we'll have honest feedback from the customer about his satisfaction and his rating of satisfaction about the value of money being spent by him, what he was expecting, and at what value spent, what satisfaction he is getting. So we'll get back to you with another exciting video. Wait for this. Thank you. Best suited speakers for a stock head unit without any amplifier upgrade. अभी हमने इसको full volume पे play किया. 1% की distortion नहीं है. Cracking is far ahead. Voice distort भी नहीं हो रही है. Tweeters भी आपने experience किया होगा. These are the finest tweeters that I have come across. इस price range में इससे better product नहीं है. आप अगर नोटिस करोगे ना तो एकदम क्लियर और क्रिस्प उसका ट्वीट आता है एंड इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू इरिटेट यू एट ऑल. मतलब अगर आप फुल वॉल्यूम पे भी सुनोगे तो आपको वो कान में से आवाज चुभेगी नहीं उसकी कि कुछ आप जैसे 10 मिनट के बाद लग रहा है कि अरे यार बड़ा इरिटेट हो रहा है.
बिटवीन व्हाट आई हैड अर्लियर एंड व्हाट इज इंस्टॉल्ड नाउ, आई मीन डिफरेंस इज ऑलमोस्ट 200%.
ग्रेट.
Okay, because the finer frequencies were not at all audible with my earlier speakers.
Okay. And now you find it very clear.
Now that difference is very very audible, I would say.
And the speakers are sounding so great because of the Moto Hunger damping that we have done. So even while you drive on the road, you would notice कि जो केबिन है बाहर से अंदर रोड नॉइज आपको काफी कम लगेगा.
और that I'm yet to experience.
Yes. Now when you drive on the road, then you would discover that also. But जो speakers की जो clarity आ रही है और जो उसका effect आ रहा है उसके अंदर में you can say there is a very big role what the Moto Hunger damping is playing. और बिना damping के आपको ये वाला effect नहीं आता था. अब कोई amplifier नहीं है, कोई woofer नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. But with the basic just speaker अपग्रेड करने के बाद में जो आपको इसका इफेक्ट आ रहा है ना, दिस इज अ फैबुलस साउंड. मैं इसको दोबारा एक बार प्ले करता हूँ. लेट्स सी.
The difference is phenomenal, and the most important thing which I think in this one is that each and every frequency is audible.
Clearly audible.
It is very clear. It is very clear. So I think that is where Hertz.
So how do you rate us now? 10 out of what marks do you?
So far, I mean, since I came in the morning, you gave me 1 or 2 people who have been completely working on this. So up till now, I will give you 10 on 10 because I don't have any complaints. And what I will say is that let me experience this for a few days.
Sure.
And if I have to add a few more things, then I will certainly come back to you.
We look forward for the opportunity to serve you, and we assure you that whatever you would get from us will be the best. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time, sir. Thank you.